Hi guys, Carly J here. I want to go over the listing management information. The very first thing I want to explain is double check your e-commerce settings, okay? So you want to adjust your settings here, make sure everything's spelled out exactly the way you want it, and make sure you click Save. Now if we go to Tools and Tracking and Management, okay. Now, I'm going to show you a picture. Okay, so in this picture, I actually got on Skype with somebody. They said they weren't getting emails from the system, and this is why. You have to import your listings from the old listing integration into 2.0, okay? You will not get any emails and you will not get any tracking without doing this. So I just wanted to mention that there, okay? And we'll close that for right now. So basically, and I already have all my information in here, just so you know, but I'm going to go over things on how you are going to be adding information, because all the ones that you import, you're going to have to go in and edit. You're going to have to go in and add your source URL, your cashbacks, and I'm basically going to show you this. So I'm going to delete this. Okay. Say, for example, this was my listing. Okay. So I'm going to choose my source. I'm going to add my URL. You have to choose some kind of cashback, whether it's 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever cashback you're getting. But you cannot update your listing without having something in the cashback field. Okay, most people are doing it this way and then clicking update listing. That's not what happens. You want to add source first, then you want to update your listing. So now the information is in there, okay? Now, you're only going to have to do this pretty much once, because when you've imported your listings, you're going to have to add your source URL and everything else. Now, for example, if this item I had another source for it, say Wayfair or whatever, I could add that and click Add Source. If for any reason this is ever wrong and you need to update that, you cannot add more than one supplier source. So, for example, if I have Amazon here and it was wrong, I'm going to actually copy this, because if it was wrong, then I would have to delete it in order to add another Amazon URL. So I would have to go in here and do that. And I would add my cashback and add source. Now, if I want to add an additional source, I would need the link, and we would do the same thing. So we would have, if we wanted to add an additional source, we could change the URL to the Wayfair URL, choose your cashback, and add source again. Okay? So that's something that I wanted to show you how it works. This is actually an ended listing. Okay. So, and that's really all that you have to do. So understand that, and there's another issue here. I helped somebody on Skype. Now, understand that their URL, which is here, only had the ASIN number. That is not going to track. You have to have the complete URL to your product. Okay? So, for example, let's go over to Amazon, and we'll just pick something off home screen and give an example. Okay, so let's just pick this one here. Okay, so see how long that URL is? It's better to just use a clean URL. This is a clean URL. So if you're just taking a ASIN and adding it to your listing, oh, my phone is blowing up, adding it to your listing, it's not going to track. So it's very, very important that you use the correct URL. So you want to actually copy this as your URL, not the rest of this, okay? So using clean URLs will prevent any kind of issue on mistakes and that kind of thing. So I really suggest that you go through your listing management, check your sources. Okay, as you can see here, dispatch time is set at 0 because these listings have ended. Okay, so if you don't want to track your item, you can simply delete from tracking. If you want to delete the item from eBay, delete from eBay. There will be, which is coming, I don't know where it's going to go, but there will be flush-ended listings, so that will clean up your listing management, okay? So again, it's very important that you know exactly what needs to be done so that your listing management is working for you, okay? So I hope this helps, and if you have any other questions or concerns, please let me know. Bye.